Do you want to add a location to Facebook page? You can add an address on a Facebook page with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to add the location to the Facebook page. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips video. Adding a location to a Facebook page involves providing address details for a business on a Facebook profile. Your location will be displayed on a map within your Facebook page, making it easier for customers to find your physical address. To add a location or address to a Facebook page, first, open Facebook on your mobile phone or on your computer. After that, switch your personal account to your business page. Now go to your business page profile. Look for the About menu on your business page profile and tap on it. In the About section, locate and tap on See Your About Info. Scroll through the page until you come across the Contact Info section. Under the Contact Info section, you'll see an option to add address. Tap on it. Enter the address details such as street, city, and zip code in the respective fields. You can also add the map location by tapping on the Add Map Location button. Once you've entered all the necessary address details, tap on the Save button to save the changes. By following these simple steps, you can add a location or address to your Facebook page. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips. And leave a comment in the comments section below.